I welcome you to a brand new course on DIY Clean Energy. Before getting started, let me introduce myself. I'm Kazim Khan and I will be teaching you a complete course on clean energy. So let's dive into the course. Let me ask you guys a quick question. Have you ever wondered how does electricity is generated? Have you ever come across the word clean energy? Well, in this course, we are going to discuss clean energy and what are the different ways to produce electricity. Along with learning, we are going to create exciting projects. So let's begin. In this session, we will discuss how electricity is generated and transferred to our homes. There are a variety of ways in which electricity is generated. Can you think of some methods of how electricity is generated? Electricity is generated using various methods. Let us find out what they are. Solar panels, wind turbines, biomass, hydroelectric, nuclear, fossil fuels, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and wave power. These are the few different sources of generating electricity. Now we are going to have a look at burning fossil fuels in power station to generate energy. Most of the power stations use coal as an energy source. The coal is burnt in a power station. The heat produced as the coal burns is used to heat water. The water boils and turns into the steam. This steam is used to turn the blades of a turbine. A turbine looks like a fan or a wind turbine. The turbine turns a generator inside wires turned within the magnets to generate electricity, so that was a fossil fuel power generation station. So now how does the electricity reach our homes? The electricity is passed through transformers and wires within the national grid that carries it to our homes. What is a national grid? The national grid is a system of cables and transformers linking power stations to consumers. Have you ever felt an electric wire and noticed it gets hot? This is because some energy traveling through the wire is lost. In order to lose as little energy as possible, transformers are used. When the electricity leaves the power station, it passes through a step-up transformer. A step-up transformer increases the voltage and reduces the current. Reducing the current makes the transfer of electricity more efficient as less energy is lost as heat. Before the energy gets to our homes, the voltage needs to be reduced back to a safe level. The electricity therefore passes to step-down transformer. So now you know how electricity is generated and sent to our homes. It is not quite as simple as flicking a switch. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.